Obviously, if you've got a load of cash in your back pocket, that is the ideal situation, and that makes you a really good buyer from a vendor's perspective. However, the world is not ideal, and I appreciate that not everyone is in that situation. Most of us, the majority of the time, have to jump through the hoops of getting a mortgage. But if you can make sure that you're organised, so that when a mortgage broker asks you for figures, you've got them all to hand. When the lawyer asks you for information, when the estate agent asks you for information, have it all ready. Have it all there for them. When you do buy a place, having all your questions right at the start in one nice tidy email makes the lawyer's life much easier. The whole process of this and what I'm getting toward is just going out of your way to make everyone's life as easy as possible. When you are asked questions, respond quickly. Don't take 3 or 4 days over it, because it just slows the whole chain up. It is all these little details that make you stand out as a good quality buyer. As an example, when I bought the Lookout in Ilminster, I was able to demonstrate that I was a good quality buyer that wasn't going to mess around. I reckon that gained me in the region of about 30 to 40 grand. So it goes to show it is worth doing.